I'd like to order a root beer float. Anybody? Somebody? You ready? Yeah.
Yes! I haven't flown an RC airplane in 20 years. Landing!
Pull up. Shut it down.
What's up, everybody? Flite Crew today has a very special job. We are at Edgewater and we are helping with the new hood ornament for Edgewater. Look it. Probably saw it in the Flite Test videos. Yeah. We got the wings on, we got the gear down, we're gonna lock the front one in a minute, and then we're gonna have to start sanding. That's today's job, get this thing sanded so they can start painting it. Here's some more photos of the put together process, I guess. So I hope you like them. It's lunchtime. We got pizza. Here's everybody.
We got like FTCA monitors lining. We got
Josh over there. Hi, Nicole.
Hello.
I've been taking nice shots of David's butt.
Whoever caught this is watching you drink.
Yeah, again.
Why?
Well, this time it was for us, not for Flite Test.
I'm eating pizza.
Okay, thanks. Kevin had an unfortunate incident. We won't talk about it anymore.
Welcome to the club, Kevin.
Oh yeah, we just did talk about that.
Person in the Flite Crew to get their canoodles bumped.
Your canoodles bumped.
Right in the mommy daddy.
Look at this. Look at this club right here. These guys.
The canoodle.
The Canoodle Club. The Canoodle Club. Wow. And there's the parts that we still have to put on, and we're gonna get sanded soon.
Parts are getting fewer and fewer.
Yeah, it's just smaller. At least they're smaller.
I've never seen a plane go together that quickly.
Is this all the assembly we're doing today? And now it's just sanding, or are we doing more assembly?
No, I think we can divide. Some people can start standing, and people can still start.
I'm ready. I'm ready for sanding.
Is there a step under here?
Yeah. You can get in there.
Work smarter, not harder.
Right there, sir. You'll find amenities.
That's an airplane, guys. Everybody's working hard. I'm holding the camera. All the guys are working real hard. Looks great.
What?
Can't thank them enough. What's going on here?
Oh, I'm the juggernaut. There you go. Walk this way now. So you can some of the plane
Where are you going?
both of you run towards the plane.
Dustin's has dents in it. It's great. Wow.
go. The first takeoff from the airplane. Hey. All right, land it.
Okay, we ready?
Ready.
Woo! I made it!
Hey, where are you going?
I don't know.
There it is.
I lost it.
Look, Dustin's playing with the Flite Test camera. He has been all day, so. Yep. And did you do your dolly zoom?
I played with the dolly zoom.
You played with the dolly zoom. Don't break Noah's camera. Look what we did today. We put a plane together, and Santa did a little bit. You probably saw that already. Yeah, there it is. What kind of plane is this?
That's an airplane.
Thanks. Hey, what kind of plane is this? A Cessna what?
Cessna 310C.
310C. But if you watch Flite Test, you already know that. But I forgot, so I needed someone to tell me. Yep. Good times. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.
On behalf of the Flite Crew, thank you for flying with us and have a pleasant stay.
Go that way. Straight out. Straight out. A little bit to the right, maybe. Straight out. Just fly. This way. This is gonna be a cluster. I'm gonna count down on 1, 2, 3. I kept you out of trouble, so just watch yourself. Where's everybody at? Which one's mine?